Safa online. So hopefully you are there. Talking about RMarkdown notebooks to generate HTML. Yay, cool, excellent, thank you.
Hope you can hear me. I use RMarkdown for generating lecture notes. Here is example of sorry, so this one, yeah. So this is the whole module material, creating lecture notes, creating slides like chapters, references, and slides, and practical and worksheets for students. The one in front of you here is example of a practical session for a module for data science students. I like the features of the customization of using the netar options here to control all the settings. I do tend to share the RMD file with the students in the learn page or what is called Moodle, because then they can play around with the settings rather than sharing the HTML. So for the lecture notes, I share the HTML. For the practical or the solutions, worksheets, exercises, I share the RMD so the student can directly go into our studio and play around with the setting and practice. So another this is something related to R. The module is teaching students some data science skills on how to work with R and how to clean data and transform data. Another example of working with just creating material generally, like data or general material not depending on R. So if I show you, for example, this one, another example of using RMD or RMarkdown file to create HTML files. I recently started looking into accessibility using the extension for the Microsoft Edge called Wave, and I find it useful for detecting the problem that I have, accessibility problems, for example, in here. So this is one way of sorting out problems, accessibility problems. Another way is to use, sorry, move that. There is a package called AccessR. Yeah, this one. So this is another recent package. It's been developed, I think, last year for transforming RMD files into accessible HTML. So a kind of, it is not perfect, but it is better. So it does help sorting some issues. For example, I used it with, this is the example, with when I check it with Web, you can see we have lots of errors here. And when I produce this HTML with the AccessR package, it does improve the score. So here without the AccessR, I have a score of 6.7 of that AIM score. And here is getting much better, sorting some of the errors, but obviously it's not perfect. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Excellent, thank you, Safa.